guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically relight your videos or photos on CapCut PC. So for instance, you have this video and you want to add in like some color, so select relight. You have like this like facial light. They have warm, soft, I don't know, that's permanent, and like morning light. You can add that as well. Here you can adjust the intensity to make it a little bit brighter if you want. As you can see, there's like a reflection like in this area because of the light. Like before it wasn't really like bright, but now it is. You can also adjust the radius of it as well here. They also have some ambient lighting as well, where you can actually like add in some colors that you can change as well here and adjust that here. You can even add more than one, I think, or like not add more than one, but like add in like another preset to it. They also have this creative one. This one moves, like as you can see, it moves. And yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.